Hello, quiz masters. Welcome back to the quiz show by Kidzak. It's time to check your general knowledge about geography, history, or science. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel. Let's begin with geography knowledge. Which country has the longest railway line in the world? China, Russia, or United States? United States. Which continent has the most countries? Africa, Asia, or Europe? Africa has the most countries with 54. Which river has the largest delta in the world? Nile, Amazon, or Ganges? Ganges is the right answer. Which continent is home to the most people? Asia. Which country is home to the highest mountain in the world? China, Nepal, or Pakistan? It's Nepal. Which is the world's largest desert by area? Antarctic Desert. What falls are between USA and Canada? Niagara Falls. Which is the longest river in Africa? It's the river Nile. Which sea separates Europe and Africa? Black Sea, Red Sea, or Mediterranean Sea? Mediterranean Sea. What mountain range is the highest in the world? Himalayas. Which country is known as the land down under? Australia. What is the largest ocean on Earth by surface area? It's Pacific Ocean. Which major city is known as the Big Apple? New York City. What is the name of the famous Amazon rainforest located in South America? It's called Amazonia. What continent is the hottest on Earth? Asia, Africa, or South America? It's Africa. Make sure to subscribe the channel. Greenland. What is a large body of salt water that surrounded a continent? Gulf of Mexico. Which is the driest desert in the world? Atacama Desert. What mountain range separates Europe from Asia? Ural Mountains. Which one is the longest river in the world? River Nile is the longest river in the world. What is the largest landlocked body of salt water? Caspian Sea. What major desert is located in the southwestern United States? Sonoran. Which is the world's highest waterfall? Angel Falls, Victoria Falls, Iguazu Falls. Angel Falls. What is a large landmass that is entirely surrounded by water? It's called island. Which active volcano is located near Naples, Italy? Mount Vesuvius. Which island is known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean? Sri Lanka, Madagascar, or Maldives? It's Sri Lanka. What is the deepest lake in the world? Lake Baikal. Which country is known as the land of the thunder dragon? Myanmar, Nepal, or Bhutan? It's Bhutan. Make sure to subscribe the channel. St. Lawrence River. What is the largest salt flat in the world? Salar de Uyuni. Which island is known as the Island of Spice? Sri Lanka, Madagascar, or Grenada? It's Grenada. What is the highest mountain peak in Australia? Mount Kosciuszko. Which country is known as the land of fire and ice? Greenland, Iceland, or Norway? It's Iceland. Which river flows through Paris, France? Seine River. Which country has the largest number of active volcanoes? Italy, Japan, or Indonesia? Indonesia. (14th, 15th, or 16th century? 14th century is the right answer. In which country did the American Civil War take place? United States. Who led Germany during World War II? Adolf Hitler. Which is a government ruled by a single leader? Democracy, republic, or dictatorship? Dictatorship. How many died in World War I? 10, 15, or 40 million? 40 million includes soldiers and civilians. Which ancient civilization built the Great Pyramids of Giza? Romans, Egyptians, or Greeks? Obviously, it's Egyptians. What historical event marked the end of the American Revolution? Treaty of Paris, 1783. Who led the Mongol Empire during the greatest expansion? Genghis Khan. Which invention sparked the Industrial Revolution? Steam engine. Make sure to subscribe the channel. Renaissance. What were the world's power after World War II? Great Britain, Soviet Union, or United States? What event led to the fall of the Berlin Wall? Collapse of the Soviet Union. What invention helped understand the solar system? Telescope. What technology contributed to the growth of the Internet? TCP/IP, World Wide Web, or personal computer? TCP/IP is the right answer. What social movement in the US organized to demand equal rights? Civil rights movement. Egyptians. Who was called King of the Sun? Louis XIV. What major event marked the end of the World War I? Treaty of Versailles. Which leader played a pivotal role in the Indian independence movement? Mahatma Gandhi. Which significant event led to the fall of the Soviet Union? Glasnost and Perestroika. What is the movement for gender equality? Feminism. What historical figure is known for his theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. What event sparked the American Civil War? Election of Abraham Lincoln. What significant discovery revolutionized our understanding of the human body? Structure of DNA. What is International Peace Organization after World War II? United Nations, the UN. What year did World War II end? 1945, 1980, or 1939? 1945 is the end of the World War II. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. When was the Declaration of Independence signed? 1776, 1789, or 1804? Declaration of Independence signed in 1776. Who was the last ruler of the Roman Empire? Romulus Augustulus. What year did the Titanic sink? 1908, 1912, or 1920? In 1912. Who was the leader of the Soviet Union during World War II? Joseph Stalin. What event marked the beginning of the French Revolution? Storm the Bastille. Who was the first female Prime Minister of United Kingdom? Margaret Thatcher. Let's go with science quizzes. What is the current age of the universe? 13.7 billion years. How do vaccines work? Stimulate the immune system. What caused the northern lights? Solar wind is the right answer. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? 299,792 kilometers per second. What is dark matter mostly made of? There is a lot of mist, so it's unknown. How do airplanes stay in the air? Lift from wings. What is the main component of Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen, oxygen, or carbon dioxide? It's nitrogen. What causes tides in the ocean? Gravitational pull of the moon. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin, liver, or heart? Skin is the largest organ. What is the main source of energy for the Earth? Stars, moon, or sun? It's sun. Which type of energy is the most powerful? Chemical, nuclear, or kinetic energy? Nuclear energy is the most powerful. Which particle has a negative charge? Proton, neutron, or electron? Electron has a negative charge. Which type of wave is not part of electromagnetic waves? It's alpha waves. Which type of organism is unicellular? Bacteria, plants, or animals? Bacteria. Which type of chemical reaction releases energy? Exothermic. What is the basic unit of heredity in living organism? Gene is the right answer. Which theory explains the origin of the universe? Big Bang Theory. What is most essential element to life? Oxygen, carbon, or hydrogen? Obviously, it's oxygen. Which process is responsible for the transfer of energy in food chains? Photosynthesis. What instrument is used to observe distant stars and galaxies? Telescope. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Covalent bond. What scientific theory explains the process of natural selection? Evolution by natural selection. Which state of matter has a definite shape and volume? Gas, liquid, or solid? Solid. What is the process by which plant converts sunlight into energy? Photosynthesis. Which type of acid is found in stomach juices? Hydrochloric acid. What is the basic unit of structure and function in a living organism? Its cell. Which scientific theory explains the force of gravity? Universal gravitation. What is the process by which organisms adapt to their environment over time? Yes, it's natural selection. What is the bond formed by the sharing of electrons between atoms? Covalent bond. What instrument is used to magnify small objects? Microscope. What is the process by which energy is released from food molecules? Cellular respiration. What is 65% of the body made up of? Hydrogen, oxygen, or carbon? It's oxygen. Which type of microscope use electrons to produce high-resolution image? Electron microscope. What is the study of the weather and climate? Meteorology. What type of vaccine is made from inactivated virus? Inactivated vaccine. Thanks for watching. Pick your next challenge. Make sure to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.